How does grounding prevent static electricity when building a PC? Have you ever wondered why grounding is so important when building a personal computer? It's a simple yet essential step that can save your sensitive components from damage. Static electricity can build up on your body, especially when you are moving around on carpet or wearing certain types of clothing. This charge can discharge suddenly onto your computer parts, like the motherboard or graphics card, leading to potential damage. Grounding helps prevent this by providing a safe path for that electric charge to dissipate. When you ground yourself, you equalize the electrical potential between you and the components you are handling. This means that any static charge on your body can flow harmlessly into the ground rather than onto your delicate hardware. One of the easiest ways to ground yourself is by touching a grounded metal object. This could be the metal case of a power supply unit that is plugged into a wall outlet, or even a water pipe. Another effective method is using an anti-static wrist strap. This strap connects to a grounded point and keeps you grounded while you work. It is a simple tool that can be purchased for a small cost, usually around $10 to $20. Wearing this strap can significantly reduce the risk of static electricity damaging your components. For those who are building or upgrading gaming PCs, grounding becomes even more important. High-performance components can be quite expensive and are sensitive to electrostatic discharge. Taking grounding precautions helps protect your investment and ensures that your gaming experience remains smooth and enjoyable. Here are some practical grounding practices to follow. First, wear an anti-static wrist strap connected to a grounded surface. Second, frequently touch the metal case of your power supply unit or another grounded metal object while working. Third, avoid working on carpets or wearing clothing that generates static electricity. Lastly, keep your components in anti-static bags until you are ready to install them. By grounding yourself and your components, you can significantly reduce the chances of static electricity causing damage. This careful handling is part of good PC building and maintenance habits that every gamer should follow to keep their system reliable and performing at its best. So, the next time you set out to build or upgrade your PC, remember to ground yourself. It's a small step that can make a big difference.